the gods of Kogi State, from River Niger to River Benue. The confluence is in Kogi State. Except say River Niger and River Benue no come meet for Kogi State. If River Niger and River Benue come meet for Kogi State, they no go fit arrest Bello. Because Bello hand is clean. They use the FCC to pursue him. They go lay seat for a house for Abuja. Make they hold him. They no go succeed though. Because Bello is innocent of what they are saying. Let them follow the court order. Let them follow the rules of the laws of Nigeria. Let them follow the laws of the land. Except say I no be born of Igala Kingdom. If I be born of Igala Kingdom, na dear hand go fit catch Bello. But as me, the voice of the street, come intervene for this matter. Where I buy black cock, carry tortoise, come for this sacrifice, their hand no go catch Bello. Now me talk am. If their hand catch Bello, may they change my name from voice of the street. Bello had done development for Kogi State. Bello is the Agune Chamber 1 of Nigeria. The Idu 1 of Kogi State. The white lion itself. EFCC dey front, you dey back. You dey back, they dey front. You dey left, they dey right. You dey right, they dey left. You dey center, they come here, you jump them past. Ododo na him whisk you come out to. Na Ododo na loyalty na him pay to you. Na maximum salama na him Ododo pay to Governor Yaya Adoza Bello. A lion can never give birth to a goat. Kogi is your territory. Excel, raw, flex, because you have worked and you need to chop. You need to eat. I've given this to the gods. Anywhere where they dey, whether na for heaven o, whether na for hell o, whether na for ground o, whether na for water o, whether na for sea o, whether they plan, say make hand catch Bello, na lie. Bello go dey, Ododo go finish in tenure. Another people go come. Because government come, government go. We never see EFCC matter for Kogi State. Now Bello na him do crossover bridge for us for Kogi State, first in history. Big hospital, now you bring them come Kogi State. So I pray the ancestors and the forefathers of Kogi State, the ancestors and the forefathers of Kogi State, come to the rescue of your son. The Agu one, you made us proud. Kogi is proud of you. The street is proud of you. And we are always proud of you. God bless you. I'm doing this sacrifice for Bello. EFCC will not see him. Bad thing will not see him. Long life will locate him. God bless you all. Follow me as I do this sacrifice for our governor, Governor Yaya Adoza Bello. They will never see him. 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 They will never see him.